As you can see, the gates are all closed, and the main thing to look at is the fact that this has this old type of lock on it. And so let me just show you. Looks like it's closed, right? Here we go. What it is in here, does you see that bit of rusty spot in there? Well, it's actually all bulging out, and what it does is it stops the pin from firing properly, which basically makes the gate, it does sometimes lock, but not always. Anyway, we're going to put on a new lock, and it's got incomplete hinges and all that stuff as well. Got to put a piece of perspex over that roller door because it's with 900. Yeah, so anyway, if you have that style, you should replace them.